Annyeonghaseyo Yorubon. I am your Korean language teacher Ahmad, and today our class is about Thitki and Ilki of chapter number 12. Question number 1. Thom next Neyungwa with content Khonge Isnan relation Krim picture Khoro Shipyo select. Bus imnida there is bus. So our answer is at number 3. Number 2. Thom next Chung between Mitchell underline Chin Buban depart. Marginal better causal object Khoreshipshio select. In number 1, Chib e khakap also Khoro vasoyo. This is wrong because the correct is khakka vaso. Number 2, Onal Pigon haso ilchik chasoyo. This is also wrong because correct is Onal Pigon heso ilchik chasoyo. Number 3, Chingural manna aso chulgo vasoy. This is also wrong because correct is manna so. And in number 4, there is our correct answer. Nuni mani vaso chaga makhyasoyo. Because of heavy rain, there was traffic jam. Question number 3. Pin kane in blanks throw khal go in. Khajang the most almajan better causal object Khoro shipyo select. Have saga chib eso. My home is from my company. Aju is very khakap samnida. This is our answer. Very near. Kreso therefore chonan I may ill every day. Khoro is by walk. Khoro chulgan hyo. I go to my company by walking. Question number 4. Thom next kul article ilko read and neyongwa with content. Khatan got is similar object Khoro shimnida select. This is from Seoul to Busan train ticket. Yolcha is train and Sangchagwon is ticket. The date of this ticket is 8 July and this is Hawaii Oil. The time is here, you can see. The KTX 123, the name of the train. And seat number is Chwasok. Chwasok Bunho is seat number. There is seat number. And this is train number. Hocha is also train Bunho, train number. Sangcha Yogam is fare. This is the fare of this ticket. There is also a note. Thanangot is platform Bunho number. Yuk is 6. Eso from platform number 6. Hakin is kindly check. Paramnida, kindly check you are at number 6 platform. So this train will go from platform number 6. Now our answer number 1 is Chaga Thanangoshi Obun Imnida. This is wrong because 6 platform number is correct. Hawaii le Busan ro Kanan Kicha Imnida. This train is going on Tuesday, so this is our answer. Number 3, Kichanan train Ohu is afternoon. Thushi Samshipune 2:30. Chulbal Hamnida departure time. So this is wrong because departure time is 11:50. Kichapyo the train ticket. Khagyok is price. Yukman Won Imnidas. The train ticket price is more than 60,000. No, this is wrong. This is not more than 60,000. This is less than 60,000. So our answer is at number 2. Now question number 5. Thom next kal article and paragraph. Ilko read Neyongwa with the content Khatan got similar object Khoreshipshio select. Hangoke in Korea KTX and SRT wa Khatan is similar. Khosok Yolcha is express train. Wa and same all who. This is a train which is not express, a basic train. Mokhong Hwa is also, there are 2 trains, basic trains 1 and 2 and Khosok train 1 and 2. Dang etc. Khatan similar. Ilban is basic. Yolcha train Isam Nida available. In Korea there are KTX and SRT T is express and Semal Ho and Mo Khung Hawa is basic train. Khosok Yolcha express train. Yogam is fare. Chum a little. Pisa is expensive. Jiman but Ilban Yolcha the basic train. Boda as compared to Parege is fast and Purely Hamnida very convenient. The express train fare is a little expensive, but express train is very fast as compared to basic train. Seoul is so butho. From Seoul, Hanguke, Korea, Chue Namdo is south. Toshi is city. Busan is a city name. Kaji tell. From Seoul to the southern area Busan city to Shiganban is 2 hours and 30 minutes. Chum is roundabout. Khollimnida it takes. Kicha train Iyong use. Halte at the time of use. Internet Ina or mobile application thong hai through plural is ticket. Yeme is advance booking. Halsu is samnida you can do. For booking and reservation, you can use internet and mobile application for train tickets. Now answer number 1. Semal Ho is a basic train. Jogam fare KTX Boda as compared to KTX ticket. Pisamnida expensive. No, this is wrong. Semal Ho, this is basic train. Wa Mungkhong Hua, also there are 2 basic trains. Khosak is express Yolcha train imnida. They are not express trains, they are Ilban Yolcha basic trains. Number 3. Mobile app Iyong Heso. By using your mobile app, Khicha Phyo train ticket Salsu Isam Nida you can buy. This is our answer. Number 4. Seoul Eso Ilban Yolcha. From Seoul, the basic train Thamyon if you ride. Se Shigan Ane. Less than 3 hours. Busan Kaji to Busan Ducha Khamnida you can arrive. You can arrive from Seoul to Busan within 3 hours by a basic train. This is wrong because this time is for Khosak Yolcha, not Ilban Yolcha. Now we have Thitki of chapter number 2. Let's start.
1번. 이 기차는 어디에서 출발합니까?
E Khicha this train 어디에서 from where 출발합니다 for depart.
우리 열차는 6시 57분에 서울역을 출발해 대전역까지 가는 KTX 233호 열차입니다.
우리 열차는 our train 6시 57분 6:57 p.m. 서울역 출발. Departing from Seoul station Thejan역 Kaji. Going to Thejan station KTX 233. This is train number Yolcha Imnida. Our train number is 233 KTX.
가지고 계신 승차권을 확인해 주시기 바랍니다.
가지고 계신 상자권 확인해 주시기 바랍니다. Passengers kindly check your tickets. Now the question is E Khicha this train 어디에서 from where 출발합니다 departure. This train is from Seoul-yok. Departure station is Seoul-yok. So our answer is at number 4.
2번. 목적지까지 비행 시간은 얼마나 됩니까?
목적지까지 비행기 aeroplane 시간 is time 얼마나 how much 걸립니다 it takes.
이 비행기는 하노이에서 인천까지 가는 한국항공 754편입니다.
This aeroplane 이 비행기 Hanoi is a place name. Eso from Hanoi. Incheon까지 this is Incheon Kaji is to Incheon. Khanan Hanguk Hong Kong Korean Air 754 Pyeon. This is aeroplane number imnida. This aeroplane is from Hanoi to Incheon and the plane is Korean Air 754. This is number of plane.
목적지인 인천공항까지 약 4시간 20분 걸릴 것으로 예상됩니다.
Mukchokji is our destination. Incheon Konghang International Incheon Airport. Kaji Yak is about 4시간 20분 4 hours and 20 minutes. Kholli it takes Got Oro Yesang Temnida. Our destination is Incheon International Airport and it takes 4 hours and 20 minutes. So our question was Mukchokji, our destination Kaji, Peihengi, this aeroplane, Shigan time Olmana Themnida, how much? So our answer is at number 4, 4 hours and 20 minutes.
3번. 다음을 듣고 물음에 알맞은 대답을 고르십시오.
다음 next 듣고 listen, 물음의 question, 알맞은 better, 대답 answer, 고르십시오 select.
회사에서 기차역까지 어떻게 가요?
회사에서 from company, 기차역 train station, 까지 to station, 어떻게 how 가요, how you go there.
1. 회사가 집에서 멀어요.
회사가 집에서 멀어요. Our company is very far from my home. This is wrong.
2. 기차역에서 버스를 탔어요.
From train station, I take a bus. This is also wrong.
3. 지하철 2호선을 타고 가요.
지하철 2호선, the line number 2 of subway train 타고 가요. I go there by a subway train, line number 2. This is our answer.
4. 날씨가 좋아서 걸어왔어요.
날씨가 좋아서 걸어왔어요 because the weather was good. I came here by walk.
4번부터 5번까지 다음을 듣고 이어지는 말로 가장 알맞은 것을 고르십시오.
Question number 4 and 5. 다음 next 듣고 listen. EOG is continuous small is talk. 가장 알맞은 the most better causal object 고르십시오 select.
4번.
근처에 지하철역이 있어요.
Is there a train station nearby?
1. 오늘도 버스를 타고 왔어요.
오늘도 버스를 타고 왔어요. Today I also came here by bus. This is wrong.
2. 저는 매일 지하철로 출근해요.
저는 매일 지하철로 출근해요. Every day I go to my company by a subway train. This is wrong.
3. 여기에서 잠깐만 기다려 주세요.
여기에서 잠깐만 기다려 주세요. Kindly wait here a little bit. This is also wrong.
4. 지하철역은 없고 버스 정류장은 있어요.
This is our correct answer. 지하철역은 없고 버스 정류장이 있어요. There is no subway station, but there is a train station. So this is our answer.
5번. 다라 씨, 오늘 회사에 왜 늦었어요?
다라시 오늘 today 회사의 company 왜 늦었어요? Why you late?
1. 회사까지 어떻게 와요?
회사까지 어떻게 와요? How you came to your company? This is wrong.
2. 내일 일찍 올 수 있어요?
내일 일찍 is early 올 수 있어요. Can you early come? This is also wrong.
3. 비가 와서 차가 막혔어요.
비가 와서 because of rain 차가 traffic jam. 차가 막혔어요. It was traffic jam. This is our correct answer.
4. 지하철로 갈아타고 왔어요.
지하철로 갈아타고 왔어요. I came. I came here by transferring a train. This is also wrong.